A very good morning to all. I, Aditi Sengupta, on behalf of Siliguri Institute of Technology, welcome you all to the 5-day National Faculty Development Program on recent trends in technological advancement for sustainable society in the area of Engineering 2022. Organized by Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Department of Information Technology, and Department of Electrical Engineering. There is a famous quote by John Cotton Dana, who dares to teach must never cease to learn. Yet, we all know that teaching is the most challenging job all time. We, the teachers, are creators of all other professions. So, developing ourselves with the advancement of society is mandatory. Because, as Jim Knight said, when teachers stop learning, so do the students. The aim of our program is to make everyone aware of recent trends and technological advancement, especially in the field of electronics, electrical and computer engineering. We have eminent speakers both from industry and academia in our 5 days journey, who will enlighten some recent technical trends with their vast knowledge, experience and expertise. To ensure the Sanskrit sloka, Swadeshi Pujyate Raja, Vidyanam Sarvatra Pujyate, we have our eminent speaker from all over the country. Now, to start our inauguration ceremony, may I call upon stage Dr. Mithun Chakraborty, the Honorable Principal of Siliguri Institute of Technology, Mr. Bhaskar Roy, and Vice President Techno India Group, Dr. Horipad Bhoumi, AICT Expert Team Empaneled, worked in Roorkee University, NIT Silchar, and Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College, as well as our very own ex-principal. Dr. Bonani Adhikari Das, Director, Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Siliguri Institute of Technology. Dr. Manu Saha, Academic Coordinator, Siliguri Institute of Technology. Dr. Sudip Kumar Ghosh, President, Institute's Innovation Council. Mr. Jayanta Bhushan Basu, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering. And last but the most important, the 3 coordinators of the FDP, without whose whole day work is not possible. So, Mrs. Anindita Sinha, HOD and Assistant Professor, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Mr. Shatadan Chakraborty, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering Department, and Mr. Shubhajit Roy, Assistant Professor, Electrical Engineering Department. Sir, ma'am, please come on the stage.
Shall we go there?
Yes, sir. Please. I also want to call Mr. Nitin Ranjan Chakraborty, Assistant Professor, Electrical Engineering, to come on the stage. Yes, sir. As we all know, without worshipping Goddess Saraswati, any educational program can't be started. So I request our very beloved Saptamita Adhikari to sing the Saraswati Bandhana for this inaugural session. Saptamita, please come on stage. We have our Internal Quality Assurance Cell Director, Dr. Banani Adhikari Das with us now. So I request all the dignitaries to come and start the program officially with lighting of Diya.
শুভজিৎ একটু সরে যা শুভজিৎ
सरस्वती मती प्रदे वसुध्यं मम जिहाते सर्वभविता नमस्ते शारदे देवी सरस्वती मती प्रदे वसुध्यं मम जिहाते सर्वभविता हस्ताभुजे दधति धनन्तु विलसच्चितं सरस्वती मनुपूजे संहार दैत्रराणि
Sir, please take your seat.
শুভজিৎ 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 এটা বন্ধ করো এই ইয়েটা বন্ধ করো
Now I request our principal sir, Dr. Mithun Chakraborty, to say a few words and to encourage everyone for this faculty development program. Sir, please come on next.
Good morning, respected HP Bhavan sir, respected Vice President sir, all my dear faculty members. It's my privilege to say something or address the August gathering today present here in the auspicious event of faculty development program. The program itself says a lot. It's the development of faculty members. One very important line has been uttered by the anchor madam today. I found it very relevant. She told that teachers are ready to take challenges. I feel that teachers can make society as because they can take challenges. They can take challenge, they can make ready themselves for anything and everything, and they show the students the pathway, what to follow and how to follow. That's why they are gurus. This is what is called Guru Shishya Parampara. My gurus are here, sitting here, whom I have also attended some of the classes. I feel I could also follow some of the things from my gurus. And this faculty development program, it is nothing but an encouragement or enrichment of all the faculty members in the recent areas of technology, maybe teaching, maybe different research areas, just to enrich the faculty so that they can fit themselves in their area of comfort. I would tell it comfort rather challenge, and they will equip themselves for their classes or their academics to impart the best quality education among the student community. It's an important event for everybody, faculty development program. I'm also very interested to attend all the sessions as because I have found the resource persons are varied from academia as well as from industry, and they are also quite competent and having large experience to share the knowledge with the faculty members so that we can also equip ourselves and can deliver the same inside the classroom as well as to guide the students time to time. I congratulate the entire team here today who has done almost everything to make it a grand success, making the things online, offline, hybrid mode, contacting everyone, sending invitation letter, and making today's this event, this inaugural session, a beautiful inaugural session that we have just experienced all. Thank you very much for organizing this beautiful event with the support and the blessings of Honorable Managing Director Sir, and the blessings of the top management, support of the top management, along with the support of the entire team. They could have made it a success. I I wish all the success till the last day. It is a 5 days program. That means there are 5 days to learn for all of us, as we all are learning day by day. But these 5 days will be especially different for all of us to learn more and more and to impart more education among the student society. Thank you very much for organizing this and giving me the opportunity to speak something here on this August or auspicious occasion. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to call Dr. Horipada Bhowmik, our ex-principal, sir, to say a few words.
A very good morning to you all. Good morning, sir. And I wish this, on this occasion, the success of the program, from which you can derive some useful information and benefit yourself. As I learned, the name of the program is Faculty Development Program. Faculty, in my opinion, is the most essential component of any academic institute, because they represent actually the input port. You have to provide whatever you have through that mechanism for the benefit of the students, and in totality benefit of the institute as a whole and the benefit of the society as a whole. Now, you being in the profession of education, rather technical education, so the responsibility is huge, because technical education is much different from conventional education, general education, because this education is not only just imparting the knowledge, but imparting the capability to imply that knowledge in practical field to derive benefits for the society. So that way it's very important. Now, what is knowledge? The knowledge, the word has been derived from the word know, to know. So you have to know more and more. In fact, for becoming a knowledge provider in this field of technical education particularly, you must know two things, or you must be capable in the two aspects. One is to know. You must know what you will deliver. At the same time, as I said, being application-oriented education, you must also know how to deliver it so that it becomes more beneficial to the students and they can satisfy their quest in totality. So that is how is very important. And as you know, the knowledge, the field of knowing, so to say, is very wide. Without any end, so to say. In fact, it is said you learn as long as you live. So you have to keep your ears and eyes open and see what are the things happening around you. And knowledge, as we know, is something like light. It removes darkness. That is how, in our Indian culture, those who are imparting knowledge, they are called Guru. And in Guru Vandana it is said, Ajnanam timirandhasya gananjana shalakayam chakshurun malitam yena tasmai Sri Gurave namo. The meaning is, Ajnanam timirandhasya. Ajnanata or ignorance is compared to darkness. So one who removes that darkness, how? Jnananjana shalakaya. Anjan means kajal. That today's particular period is putting in their eyes. So that Ajnan Andhakar removed by Gyan Root Kajal. So that is how it is said, Ajnanam Timirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakayam. And this Kajal, as you know, is put through a stick, Shalaka. So as you have seen, we have burst this light with a Shalaka. So it is compared that way. Ajnanam Timirandhasya, Jnananjana. Timir means Andhakar, darkness. So the darkness of ignorance removed by the Shalaka of knowledge. So who does that is that Guru, and that Guru is Namasya. And we offer our prayer that way. Ajnanam timirandhasya jnananjana shalakayam chakshurunmoditam jena tasmai Siliguri namah. Probably that is why in our functions like this, we start with a light. And in Upanishad it is so said, Tamasho ma jyotirgamaya. Tamasho ma, ma means no. In Sanskrit the word ma means no. Tamasho ma, that is darkness, no. We don't want darkness. Jyotirgamaya, let us move towards light. So Tamasho ma jyotirgamaya. So that is probably symbolically represented by this program of lighting the lamp. Lighting the lamp to remove the darkness of ignorance. So I hope this program also will remove your darkness in whatever area you have the shortcomings, so that you will be enabled to impart your teaching better and better with days to come. Particularly, as I said, in this field of technical education, technology is ever expanding. Newer technologies are coming and they are being applied. So you have no more chance to attain that in the conventional way. So that way, these are the ways by which you can expose yourself to the newer technologies and make you more capable of offering more to the future generation. That is the importance of this type of program. So in this, I will just say a few more words for a brief introduction. What is science? We all know more or less, but what is the exact definition or technology for that? Science, the word science has been derived from a Latin proverb, scientia est potentia. The Latin saying, scientia est potentia. It means scientia means knowledge, est is. Knowledge is potentia, means potential or power. Knowledge is power. And in Sanskrit also we say, jnanameva balam iti. Once again the same thing. So that is how this word science has come. As you know, all scientific principles are developed into various technologies. That is why the science is the root or basic of technology. Now, a little more in our daily life, how science is useful. The ladies will be knowing it better. Even in the kitchen, we apply many scientific principles. maybe without knowing, always we will not be knowing. There is one program, as you know, whenever a new bride comes to the house, she is shown boiling milk. And generally, if you boil milk, what happens? It comes up, falls down. I don't know why it is shown, maybe to teach a little bit of science. Why it falls? Why it comes up in the form of foam and falls? Because you know there is fat in the milk. So as you heat from the bottom, the fat melts. And as you know, just like ice is lighter than water, the fat is also lighter than milk. So it comes up because it is lighter. So when it comes up, it comes in contact with the air, which is at a much lower temperature than the heat it is getting from the bottom, where it is being heated with the of fuel and firewood or whatever it may be. So that lighter portion coming up and gets cooled in touch with the air, and then it forms a scum. That is what we call it shower. So it provides a force opposing the process of coming up. So that is how at one point of time the force from the bottom becomes larger than what is because of this cool air, and then it jumps and falls. Probably to make the housewife more careful, this is a lesson. And once again, as I said, the things are developing, science is changing. If you heat the milk of today's device, say microwave oven, it does not happen. Those who are doing it, they can try it. You can just set the time as per requirement because of the quantity of milk, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever it is, and leave it there. The milk will be boiled and it will remain as it is without a single drop falling down. It is because in this case heat is coming from all directions, and the surface milk is not able in any way to come in contact with the cool air. So that scum formation is not there. As a result, there is no possibility of this happening. So that's as I said, in all our activities, science is there. Only if you question, you try to know, you will be able to know it. So probably, as I said, once again, to make the housewife aware for her future activities, to take care in all steps, so that she can do things much better in an efficient manner. Without saying all these big stories with that demonstration. Anyway, so that is just a side thought. So what I just wanted to emphasize, there is no end to knowledge, no end to knowing. You have to only inquire and enrich your capabilities, and so that you can impart better. So with these few words, I think I don't take much more time. I wish again success to your program. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your valuable words. Now I request our Vice President Techno India Group, Mr. Bhaskar Roy, to say a few words.
Before saying anything, a big thanks to Dr. H.P. We are really ecstatic to see him here because I still remember, I cherish my so many evenings I used to spend with him when he was principal exactly during 2004, 3, 4, 5, something.
2004.
2004 onwards. So, sir, it's nice to see you. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. Before saying, I just go to the catchline of these things. Is recent trends in technological advancement for sustainable society. Sustainable society. I emphasize in these two words, sustainable society. Actually, every day, nowadays, who dares to ignore engineering excellence? Tell me very frankly. Right from morning, the moment we wake up, good morning, have a nice day. We are now, the smartphone is totally a part of our life. We can't ignore smartphone nowadays. Even when we are going to bed, good night, whatever it is. All this kind of exchange of societal rituals are possible irrespective of your locations. You may be in the farthest corner of the world, but it happens. Like I'm just giving you two examples. My eldest sister, her daughter stays in Singapore. And my Jawababu and my elder sisters, they spend almost 2 to 2.5 hours in video conference call. Courtesy, engineering excellence. My elder sister, her daughter stays in San Francisco. They also spend their 2.5 hours, video call. So all these things, it has become reality because of the engineering excellence. So whole the entire engineering, be it the computer science, be it electrical, all the departments, they are working tirelessly to make it all these things possible. So we can't ignore the engineering excellence to make our society. Earlier days, our society used to be geographically confined to locations. Because of the engineering excellence, now the society has become a global society. The society is now truly a global society. We can establish any connections across the world, anywhere. But nowadays, we are all world citizens, and there is only one society, that's a global society. Next thing is faculty development program. It is basically, if we cite NAP 2020, almost so many places they reiterated the FTP faculty development programs. Because you know, education happens to be one of the most dynamic domains. Even my professors, those who are sitting with me, what they were taught in their students' life, I think most of the things are obsolete now. Why? Because education is a totally dynamic subject. And the thing is, it is needless to say that more we exchange our knowledge, the more we go for our brainstorming, the more we share our knowledge, that only enhances the knowledge of individuals, that consolidate our informations and knowledge. So there is no end of development. Development is a continuous process. So before ending, I must thank you, Dr. Nitu Chakrabarti, Principal, who spearheaded the whole program, and my sincere thanks to the whole academic fraternity of SIT. They have done a very pivotal job to make it happen. And last but not the least, is the NTP coordinators, 3 persons. Thank you very much, and I look forward to have this kind of more activities in the coming years. Thank you, SIT. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. It's really inspiring. Now I request the academic coordinator of Siliguri Institute of Technology, Dr. Manoj Saha, to say a few words.
Good morning, all of you. Very good morning to Bhomik sir, Vice President of Techno India Group, Principal of Siliguri Institute of Technology, IPSC Director, Jayanta sir, Mitul sir, Shudip sir, all of you, and all the teachers present of the dais. It is really a great pleasure to say a few words on this occasion. If we look at the program schedule, the program schedule has been nicely designed, and we see that the recent trends of core branches of engineering have been scheduled over here, starting from IoT, wireless, cyber security, cryptography. During these 5 days, all the teachers will be able to expand their knowledge, skill set, and what will happen after the FDP is over, I think the teachers of Siliguri Institute of Technology and also teachers who are participating from other colleges, their knowledge skill set will be developed and they can utilize those knowledge and skill set in their research work and in their class, that is delivery of knowledge. They will be able to more fruitfully take classes. So I shall not take any more time. I really wish grand success of this program. Finally, I congratulate the 3 coordinators of this program. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you so much, sir. Your speech are always encouraging us day by day. And now I request our Director of Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Dr. Vanani Adhikari Das, to speak a few things about this program. Please, ma'am.
Thank you, Aditi. First of all, I feel privileged to deliver a few words on this occasion. With due respect to the Honorable Principal of SIT, to Professor H.P. Bhomik, he is well known to us, to Mr. Bhaskar Roy, who is the VP of our organization, and my learned colleagues, all of you. So it is a rare occasion and a rare privilege to talk on this August occasion. I think all what had to be said has been already delivered by eminent personalities sitting on and off on the dais, and they have basically summed up whatever the basic essence of this program. Like the teachers are willing to take up the challenges. We are the guru. We are supposed to dispel the darkness that is for the further enhancement of human society. We are working as a team, and as the coordinator of the IQAC, of course, this is a big step towards documenting, showcasing, as well as taking an quality improvement initiative for FDPs. For example, me myself, I'm from physics background, but I'm still going to participate in this program because I like to know the cutting edge technological advancements that is taking place, so that I know myself, I can motivate the students, and also it will help me to increase my knowledge base. So with this few words, I like to end, and I'd like to thank the whole team for their entire effort. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So now I request Mr. Jayantubhushan Basu, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, to say a few words.
Thank you, Aditi. Very good morning to eminent guests on the dais and all the faculty members present after us. I think it's almost 5 to 6 years after FDP is being organized in SIT. I think for engineering faculty, especially. I remember I have attended it almost 5 years back. So definitely, COVID has given us some new ways, explore new ways, because conducting FDP face to face was becoming very difficult. Getting the experts coming over here, arranging the sessions, disturbing the classes, it was very difficult. But because of this online mode, now conducting this kind of program has become very easy. and we can attend the program even if we have classes. We can do that and continue attending this program. So COVID has given us a few options open for us to exploit these facilities. So I hope the program will be a grand success, and in future also this program will be conducted on a regular basis, and there should not be a very large gap between two FDBs in a cycle. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Your speech just make me think about my student life where I learned about Vikram Ashirwad Abhishek with the COVID impact that it brings some good things to our life also. Now I request Mr. Dr. Sudip Ghosh, Dr. Sudip Ghosh, the President of Institutions Innovation Council, to say a few words.
Thank you, Padati Madam. It is a great pleasure to have present this occasion. I am representing as IIC President. So many of you even do not know what is IIC and why in association with IIC. So I introduced that IIC is the IIC has been formed this year, and there is a mandate of MHRD that the environment and ecosystems will be established where innovative ideas will be transformed into a prototype. And this is the basic idea, and just to implement this idea in this institutional level, we have taken lots of initiative. The plan has been already published in the website, and lots of plan we have taken because there is a star marking. So just 2-3 days back, I made a regional meet at Guwahati, where I have learned many things to how to get a good star marks. And the star marks, the idea is there that how many programs you organize, the number of programs is related with star marks. So now this year, even we belongs to a technical background, so the innovative idea will come from students. And as well as that ISC is a collaboration of two things. One, the innovative idea and the entrepreneurship. The two systems has to be developed here in this institute. Then only the students will get their innovative, students will able to present their innovative idea, and that idea will convert through this system by IIC. Even also there is some ranking also we will achieve here. That ranking will some program that we will organize in August also, 2 programs we have planned, and this ranking will be counted with this with the organization number of event organized. So that will be counted as a part of the IIC. So this every year we have to organize 12 institute IIC programs. That is a mandate published by the Ministry of Human Resources. Okay, so that 12 program plan has been decided, and that will be organized one by one. So FDP is also a part of these things. So I want to mention another thing is that not only the IIC, there are also a 3-part. IIC is the mandate is presented by the institute like MHRD, and some events need to be organized by more institute council. That is MIC. That will be mandatorily organized by the institute. That mandate has come. Another thing, the activity that actually we are organized is called self-driven activity. So it comes with that activity will be organized by institute itself. So that activity is called self-driven activity. So all the program, all the repository will be already documented, and that will be published by the, and that will be uploaded to the website. Then only we will get the good star marks. So the star marks will be counted. How many programs we organized on this academic year. So thank you. I wish grand success for this program, because the activity is also part of self-driven activity. So I will not take much time. So please.
Thank you so much, sir, to make us aware about IC. And now, for the last, we save the best and dynamic speaker among us, our very own Mithun Ranjan Chakraborty sir, to say a few words. Please, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Sir, Mr. Bhaskar Rai, VPTIG, and the person who has motivated me and encouraged me a lot in my academic journey, my respected and beloved home sir, and my beloved colleagues on and off the dais. On this occasion, I would like to, everything has been said already by the speakers. They have enlightened, and I would just like to say it from my perspective, believing it that I am representing the faculty community. I think 4 components are there as we are imparting knowledge or trying to enhance the lives of our students. 4 components are there, what I believe, that is knowledge, wisdom, experience and expertise. So I hope that during these 5 days we will gain some knowledge, be a little wiser with the help of wisdom gain, develop some skill set that we will enrich ourselves with some expertise, and in future share this experience with our students and among our peers to make our and the lives of the students better towards a better tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, as I say, our most dynamic speaker. So, with this, we are coming to the end of our inaugural session. And I want to end the session with a quote given by Dylan William. Every teacher needs to improve not because they are not good enough, but because they be even better. So, thanking you all for being here in our inaugural speech. Our next part will start from the 12th p.m. And now, all for your refreshment, we have tea and snacks outside the room. I am requesting everyone to have that. Thank you so much.